Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is D'Angela Vaughn if you are new here, and if you are not new here, then welcome back to the click. So I have some brand new news to share with you guys. I have been working on a brand new project, and that product is my Etsy shop. So for the last month or so, I have started an Etsy shop and I have been posting listings. I have 23 listings up right now, and I'm just so excited to be able to share it with you guys. It's primarily counseling, therapy type of products, so apparel, sweatshirts, t-shirts, but I also have other items like journals, mugs, candles, all types of things. And some of the products are not specifically catered towards counselors. Some of the items are just motivational, mental health awareness, just because I want my items to be for everybody. So this has just been a really exciting new venture for me, and another way for me to just bring in some extra income, which we all love a good side hustle. So I'm just really excited about it. And I'm super excited today because I got my first sample items. They came in the mail today and I literally ran to the mailbox to get them. So I ordered 2 mugs in 15 ounce and 11 ounce, and I also ordered a sweatshirt, and all 3 have the same design, but I have plenty of designs now. This was like the first item that I ordered. So I'll be ordering the rest of my stuff eventually so that I can show that to you guys too. But I just wanted to come on and start off with these 3 since that is what has come in the mail so far. So this is the packaging for the mug, one of the mugs, I'm not sure which one. So it looks like it's packaged very nicely. It has the fragile on there. So we're going to look to make sure that nothing is broken and that they packaged it really well, because I want to make sure that my buyers are able to get my products in good shape and not broken. So we're gonna find out. Okay, so it's in this type of container, so it's very secure, like it's not going anywhere in there, so I love that. Ooh, look at it. Okay, yeah, they have that in there really nice, like literally is not moving at all. I have to figure out how to even get it out of here. Okay, and even still, it is like stuck down there at the bottom. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So it says licensed homegirl, and it says counselor at the bottom. And I have it on both sides so that if you are left-handed or right-handed, you will still see the design. It looks so good, y'all. And I ordered the black cup, but there's all different colors on there. If you go on my Etsy shop, I'll have it linked in my description box. You can get it in all types of colors: red, yellow, green, all different colors. Pink if you want. Oh my gosh, y'all. And it looks great. I don't see any damage. The printing is great quality. Very lightweight. Like, oh, I can't wait to get my hot chocolate and drink it out of this cup. I'm so excited. Okay, so now we're gonna open up that's the 15 ounce. We're gonna open up the 11 ounce now. So it's the same design, but smaller. So again, packaged really nicely. Oh, it's so cute. So I really love this one because it's nice and small and compact. This is so cute. I am obsessed with this. I could just see myself drinking this in my office, like, yeah. I love it so much. So let's do a size comparison. So we got 11 ounce and 15 ounce. So you can kind of look to see if you decide to buy any of these products, which size you would prefer. I think they're both super cute. Like the design looks great on both of them, which is I'm so happy about that. Like, so cute. So cute. I love it. All right. So those are the mugs, and I also have the sweatshirt. So I'm gonna try that next. Let's see. So it came in a bag. Hopefully not damaged or anything like that, but it should be fine. Like most clothing items come in a bag like this, so I'm sure it's fine. The blue, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is so freaking pretty. Let me take the sticker off. You guys, let me step back so y'all can see. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, it's so warm and cozy too. It looks so great. I am obsessed with this. Oh my gosh, now I want to try it on. Should I try it on? I want to try it on to give you guys the full experience. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. Licensed homegirl, counselor, period. Like, y'all. And it's so comfy. It's so soft, so comfy. The color is beautiful. The printing is great. I'm obsessed. Like, y'all gotta go buy these items. And I have plenty more designs too. Let me come back closer. I'm just so in love. But yes, I have plenty of designs. I have a design that says "Nobody Panic, I'm a Therapist." Love that one. I have shirts and t-shirts that say "It costs nothing to be kind." I have shirts and t-shirts that say "You matter, you are special, you are enough." Just all of the positive affirmations, all of the positivity, mental health. Like, it's just so important to me, and I just wanted to pour all of that into my designs. So I really hope that you guys check them out. I hope you go down to the link in my description box, go to my Etsy shop, just look around, see if there's anything that you like. And if so, I would love for you to support me by purchasing something. I do have a 25% off sale going on right now for Christmas. So if you go and buy any of my products this month, you will get them 25% off. It's on my entire shop. So I hope that you find something that you like, or if you have a counselor or somebody in your life that you want to get a gift for, I hope that you consider buying something from my Etsy shop. Other updates, I have started my YouTube memberships. So if you want to have live study sessions with me, if you want to be able to participate in the live chats that we're going to be doing to help everybody study for the NCE exam, make sure that you join my memberships. I have 2 different tiers. The first tier gives you access to the live streams and to the live chat. But if you want to join the second tier, you will get the live chat, live stream, as well as early access to all of my content and some content that will be just for members only. So make sure that you look into that if you want to be a part of my membership. I will be having my first study session this month. So make sure that if you want to be able to participate in that, you have to join the membership in order to do that. So I want to try to build a nice community of all of us that are helping each other pass the NCE exam and get our counseling license so we can have this sweatshirt and represent our counseling status. So make sure that you join that membership. And all you have to do is click that join button beside my name and you will be able to pick which tier you want to be a part of. And one more update, I'm getting ready to post my 5 NCE studying mistakes video, and that video will be members only. So if you want to see that video, make sure that you join my membership. So I really look forward to connecting with all of you. And again, thank you all so much for the support. Whether you buy any of my products or just go to my Etsy shop and just favorite some things, anything that you do is supportive and I will appreciate it. And I just am so excited to be able to do all of these things with you guys and for you guys. And I'm just very, very grateful. So make sure that you subscribe, like, comment, all of the things, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.